Today I will draw this beautiful watercolor doodle of this valley with trees and meadows and a little hut just like fairyland cottage. So let's begin. I am using here wet on wet technique using Arteza watercolor. I am using Princeton watercolor brush size 12. I really love this brush because it holds more water and color at a time. As always, I will create the shapes and structure with watercolor first, then I will doodle on them with black fineliner. By the way, if you are new here, my name is Shomi. I share watercolor and ink doodle every week with little tips. If you are interested, please click on the subscribe button. I'd love to have you in my community to discuss art and creative living. For this painting, I am using autumn color palettes today. I hear sometimes people struggle with choosing color palettes. If you are confused which colors to choose from, go look out from your window. Nature has the most beautiful color palettes that one ever need, isn't it? As well as there are so many inspirations for art spreading in front of our eye that we sometimes miss. Just like today, I was thinking really hard what should I draw. Unknowingly, then I look outside from my balcony and watch this beautiful valley that I see every single day, but never thought of create a painting of it. So today the idea came in my mind to create this beautiful fairyland type valley with watercolor doodle. Sometimes the ideas, the answers, or the thing we are looking for stays just in front of us, but we couldn't see because we don't watch it mindfully, isn't it? Okay, so now I have created the structure for the valley. I'll wait for a few moments to get the colors dry properly before starting to doodle on them. It's almost 15 minutes. The colors are dried now, forming these beautiful colors blending. I really love to see this color blending after wet on wet technique in watercolor. That's why I use this technique most of the time. I'm using black fineliner 0.5 mm to create the doodles on them now. In the meantime, I'd really like to know what are the challenges you face during your art journey. Please let me know in the comment section. I may address them in my future videos, and together we can solve some problems as well. Also, if you like this video, please share with your friends and share your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I'd love to see you again in my next video. Until next time, stay happy, stay safe, and live a creative life. Goodbye.